We trust the Emerson products and we're very satisfied with the service that stands behind them. I trust the Sensi product because I've known them for years. They've got a great reputation and they always get back to you. If you've got a problem, you call the 1-800 number and you're going to get an answer. And that makes my life easy.
As a service technician, I'm working on air conditioners, furnaces all day long, fixing, repairing, installing, everything. Sensi's are really easy to install. They're just 2 screws, 5 wires, you're up and running.
Technicians can pair it with the Wi-Fi in the people's home real easy. The app is very intuitive. It's simple for the customer to use, and it just works.
The setup takes minutes. We're moving on to the next job's a big deal, especially when we're doing 8 a day. I like to leave the house with a customer happy. My success is measured by the positive impact that I have on people's lives.
If that's not enough, I don't know what is.